Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I found these weird little blocks which you could use as, at the bottom of a milk carton pretty easily. And I want to put some Anita's white metallic in the bottom there and make a pretend ring pour, pretend dirty pour. I've got some paint that came out of the bottom of a bottle. I'm going to use a little bit of my Amsterdam white in between. That is created as a cell activator. That has got that orange is a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch with some iridescent pearl fine in it. It's a little more of the Amsterdam white. Some of my purple, neon purple from Folk Art that has iridescent pearl fine in it from Golden. Some dioxazine purple. A little more Anita's white metallic. A little more orange. Some, a little more white. A little bit of the Hot Orchid from Color Art. I am going to go for it and put some of the electric blue from Arteza in there. I don't know what this is going to be like. Here's some of the Meeden black. There's a little Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Squeeze that in there too. Getting really close. I have some cobalt blue, which is actually turquoise. It's from Artist Loft. And it's turquoise metallic. It's absolutely gorgeous. I haven't used any of this Golden Hour from Arteza, but I'm going to use some of this paint I have to use up again. And then the Golden Hour. Maybe one last dash of, the orange. And here's my one last dash of, this is a red, color shifting red from Folk Art. And we'll see if that's the last, because that's not usually how I roll. Let's put that away for a minute. Let's use the Meeden paint. As a starting place. It's looking a lot more liquid than I feel it should. But it's going to help transport and flow paint very nicely. And I have edge catchers, and if I need one, I have them over there behind me, and I'll find them. I kind of want to take some of this paint right down the middle. And I really want to play. And I have some Amsterdam black. And a scrape dish, which I will need right now. Just a little piece of acetate. Could probably pour this right back on. I want to put some more paint on there. I want the color I want, though. Let's just be sacrilegious and tip now before I do any more swiping. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Which is a lot more like smearing, because that white paint is definitely a heavy base layer. I'm thinking I want all of that right there. I might be sorry, because that usually covers my edges pretty nicely. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of the purple and a little bit of the pink. I have smaller tools, and I think it's time to use one. Nice oval. Scrape that off. I want an edge catcher now. Edge catcher will be a paint catcher at this point. I want to blow that over the edge, to tell you the truth. If I can, there we go, there's my straw. There, that's a little better for me. All right, so pull that over to the edge so I can wipe my tool off on the edge and continue the pattern. This is kind of sweet. I'm liking this. I'm wondering if I want to try the white Amsterdam and then colors that I want. Kind of wanted some gold in there too. There, that's kind of neat. I like it. Actually, quite a bit. I don't know that I want to do a whole lot more to that. Maybe take my straw to a few places. Maybe spin a couple things around. That could work. The only problem with using bamboo skewers to make tools is they have little hairs on them. Yeah, I think I like the dots. Don't like the little hairs. So I'll just drag a few things right out. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means that I can definitely get away with leaving my paint heavy, which is good right about now. I'm going to steal a little bit of black to finish that right over the edge. And look at this and see how I feel about it. I'm liking everything I see so far, and I keep thinking I should do something else, but I'm not sure what it would be. So I guess we're done, other than tipping. This is kind of heavy down here. Well, you know, I really like it, so I'm going to be good. Ooh, I've got some, I don't know what that's called. That's, it's absorbing in a sort of a roughly looking edge. I definitely want to get rid of that little mark I just made. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys I love you. There's over 93,000 subscribers on my channel, and if you're a new one, please be welcome. If you're not a new one, thank you for being here. I so appreciate you. You don't even know. I love you all dearly. If you're not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have your companionship. Hopefully we can inspire you too. I'd love to have your thumbs up if that would be okay. If you share my videos, you help me out. I have a little bit of that extra paint and I need some of it right here on this corner, and it's perfect fit. And I'm going to use the black next to it because the edge of that swipe was black. What else can I tell you? I have a community board, and on it you will find tomorrow's video. On my YouTube channel banner you'll find PayPal and Patreon, and if you are capable of helping support the production of videos on the studio, you should look on the bottom right hand corner for the PayPal and Patreon icons, and if you use them to make a donation, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the end screen video of every video in the last 20 seconds. Yeah, I am. I'm adding some dots. I can't help it. I'm Dottie. I don't think they're going to hurt anything. Pretty sure they won't. I hope not. I don't think so. Make that an extra large dot. Okay, so what did I forget to tell you guys? Please share my videos. If you watch longer, you help me out. If you watch some of the commercials, it's a big assistance. Giving me a thumbs up is really helpful. My email address is below the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video. If you contact me via email, you can ask me questions, or you can inquire about the purchase of an artwork, or you can ask me, get information about taking a class with me, a private class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Tomorrow's video will often be on one of my Facebook groups, and the Facebook groups are on the link tree. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. And you can find those links also on the link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. I'm getting confused. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that you leave me to keep my morale boosted. And thank you very much for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I might be doing another painting right off since I did not use all of my paint. And that is okay with me, because it's cool paint. I'm going to zoom in if I can and show you guys some amazing cells. That's pretty cool. I like this. There are some really beautiful cells. Sorry I'm scattered. It's after 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. I go to the refrigerator and I grab myself a refreshment. And sometimes I'm the same and sometimes I'm not afterwards. Depends on how fast I gulp in between videos. Alright, you guys, I love you. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. If you need a link, just ask me. If you have a question, please feel free to ask me. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. I'll do my best. And if I can't, I'll do my best to hook you up with somebody who can. Bye for now. Priscilla out.